How to use Snapchat offline. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you some tricks to create content and prep your snaps without a connection. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, simply open the Snapchat app while offline, and here you can still take photos, record videos using the camera screen, and your snaps will be saved locally on your phone until you're back online. Now, with that, you can also add text, stickers, filters, or drawings to your photos and videos even without the internet. Everything works just like online. The only thing you can't do is send them because once you have a connection, Snapchat will automatically send all their saved snaps. And you can also upload your pre created snaps to your story once you are online. But here you can still view your saved snaps in the memory while offline. So, here, if you go back to the camera section and tap on memories, there you can see all the snaps that you have taken previously. And that's it. Now you know how to use Snapchat offline. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.